In this video, we will show you how to replace your mirror cover. On this Nissan Altima, you'll have one of these mounted to each of your mirrors. Let's get into it. All right, friend, let's get started on our job. We'll have a look along the back side of our new cover. You'll find that you have two locking tabs along the bottom. It's important to note exactly where those locking tabs are located. Now, with that said, you can carefully use a small pocket screwdriver. We want to be very careful not to scratch any of the paint on our door or on the mirror itself, but we do need to get in between the cover and the mirror in those general areas where the locking clips are and gently pry this apart to separate it. There we are. The other one should be right over here. And there it is, friend. With that out of place, the next thing we'll do is clean and inspect the mirror, make sure there is no damage to this piece. Okay, let's get ready to install our brand new mirror cover. We'll take this and get it aligned with the mirror and then press it into position. Double check to make sure it's secured all the way around. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.